got some dirty shit to pick up at the dry cleaner. I got a tidy bitch to pick up, I got Selena. Shawty hop up in the whip, but I ain't never seen her. Shawty love the way I whip it in a two-seater.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, as the title suggests, we are performing water test on Samsung Galaxy S8. So are you excited? Cause I am too. Now let's perform the water test. Here we are washing it. S8 cost 60,000 rupees. Let's see what happens after the water test. All of its functions are working or not. So here we washed it. Till now it doesn't show any issues. Its iris scanner perfectly working. Touch screen perfectly working. Notification bar also perfectly works. So all of its functions are perfectly working and S8 successfully passed the water test. So if you like the video, give a video a big thumbs up. Thanks for watching the video. This is Himan Manji and I'm signing out.